Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. Tap on it once and you can switch your hotspot. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, you can change device identification, you can select its AP band, you can hide its SSID, you can share QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, you can set up one time data limit, you can set it to turn off automatically when nobody is connected, and that's it. And you can also manage connected devices, you can set maximum amount of connections, you have a block list, and you can also enable USB tethering and Bluetooth tethering. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.